Hi, my name is Kathryn Greene. I'm an associate editor at Hospitality Design Magazine, and I'm here today at Stone Source's booth with Kory Bowling. Kory, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me today.
Sure.
Can you tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind the decision to launch this brand?
Stone Source was founded out in New York, very much a stone luxury type brand in the A&D community. Ceramic Techniques was founded in Atlanta at the same year, very focused on hospitality and high design of products. So more product, more solutions.
Really what differentiates Stone Source and Ceramic Techniques from others in the marketplace is just our ability to offer so many different products to choose from. As we know, designers love to choose unique, very different type of products. Stone Source and Ceramic Techniques has over 10,000 SKUs to choose from. And so I think our difference is we can walk into a designer, say whatever you can imagine, we can offer.
We're very excited about this launch for the Hospitality and Design Show. We have exclusivity with a number of lines. Trame de Lusso is one of our new lines. This is manufactured by a family in Italy. This is what they do. This line is a through body porcelain, indoor, outdoor. It's very great for all kinds of applications. But what they've done is that, as you can see, they've created different visuals. And then the colors are very vivid, and color is back, which we're so excited about. So this is one of our favorites right here.
At the moment we have two stocking warehouses for our natural stone program, New Jersey and in Phoenix. We have about 40 colors that we currently stock in either 3/4, 1.25" slab format, and also in dimensional tiles, so 12 by 24s, 24 by 24 tiles for residential, commercial, hospitality projects, retail. You name it, we can provide it.